Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. It is a deep learning-based model that has been trained on a massive corpus of text data, enabling it to generate human-like text in response to a variety of inputs. ChatGPT is built on the transformer architecture, which uses self-attention mechanisms to weigh the importance of different parts of an input sequence when making predictions. This allows ChatGPT to process language in a way that is more similar to how humans process language, by considering the context of the entire input rather than just individual words or phrases. One of the key applications of ChatGPT is as a chatbot, where it can be used to generate human-like responses to user inputs, providing a more natural and engaging experience. It can also be used for language translation, by learning the relationships between words and phrases in two different languages. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used for text completion, generating text that completes partial sentences or phrases. How does it work? The model works by encoding the input text into a mathematical representation, also known as an embedding. This embedding is then processed through multiple layers of the model, including the self-attention mechanism, which allows the model to consider the relationships between different words in the input. The model then generates a response by using an autoregressive technique, where the next word in the response is generated based on the previous words and the input. The quality of the generated responses depends on the quality and quantity of the training data, as well as the size and architecture of the model. ChatGPT was trained on a massive corpus of text data, which has allowed it to learn the patterns and relationships in language and generate human-like responses. ChatGPT works by encoding the input text into a mathematical representation, processing it through multiple layers, and then generating a response using an autoregressive technique. The quality of the responses is dependent on the quality and quantity of the training data and the size and architecture of the model. Applications of ChatGPT. Here are some of the most common applications. 1. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to build conversational AI systems, such as chatbots, that can respond to customer queries and support requests in real time. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide personalized and human-like responses, improving the customer experience. 2. Question answering systems. ChatGPT can be used to build question answering systems that can automatically answer questions based on a given context or knowledge base. This can be used in industries such as education, healthcare, and finance to provide accurate and timely information to users. 3. Text generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text, such as summaries, news articles, or poetry, based on a given prompt. This can be used in industries such as journalism, content creation, and entertainment to automate the writing process and generate high-quality content quickly. 4. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to build machine translation systems that can translate text from one language to another. This can be used in a variety of industries, such as travel and business, to facilitate communication between people who speak different languages. 5. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze the sentiment of text, such as customer reviews or social media posts, to understand the opinions and emotions of users. This can be used in industries such as marketing and customer service to gain insights into customer satisfaction and improve business processes. These are just a few examples of the potential applications of ChatGPT. The versatility of the model and its ability to generate human-like responses make it a valuable tool for a wide range of industries and applications. Limitations. ChatGPT is a highly advanced language model developed by OpenAI, but like any technology, it has its limitations. Here are some of the main limitations of ChatGPT. 1. Bias. ChatGPT has been trained on a large corpus of text data, which can contain biases and inaccuracies. As a result, the generated responses may also be biased and contain inaccuracies. This can be particularly problematic in sensitive areas such as politics, race, and gender. 2. Lack of context. ChatGPT generates responses based on the input it receives, but it does not have access to external information or context. As a result, the responses may not always be accurate or appropriate, especially for complex questions or prompts that require knowledge about the real world. 3. Lack of creativity. While ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like responses, it lacks the creativity and originality of a human. The responses are generated based on patterns and relationships it has learned from the training data, and may not always be innovative or original. 4. Data quality. The quality of the generated responses depends on the quality and quantity of the training data. If the training data is limited or of low quality, the generated responses may be less accurate or appropriate. 5. Privacy concerns. ChatGPT was trained on a massive corpus of text data, which may include sensitive information about individuals. There may be concerns about the privacy and security of this data, and how it is being used and stored by OpenAI and its partners. These limitations should be considered when using ChatGPT in real-world applications. While the model is highly advanced and capable of generating human-like responses, it is important to be aware of its limitations and to use it in a responsible and ethical manner.